Okay.
You need to take the bolts out first.
Oh, left one.
Yeah.
So we've got coolant here.
Yeah. Right.
Isn't there supposed to be a lid on the coolant?
Yeah, it's somewhere in this bit. Yeah, you move that way.
Which way?
You need to put that on it. Yeah, but we know it fits.
I should take it out and put it up.
Yeah, just take it out, put this on.
Have you got all the bolts for the top?
What? I didn't take that off, you did.
Yeah, no, but...
It'll be here somewhere.
Oh, it's there.
That's all.
Right.
Mint, thank you, just in time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All I need.
Yeah.
We're going to learn how to make something from the olden days. Okie dokie.
Oh yeah, that one's going to be faster than it was last time. Very good from the top.
Yeah.
See if information 11 works. Big gump's definitely gone on.
Too short, this head. We are living together. There we go. Right, spanner. Right, get me a...
15 or so.
No, 16, get me a 21 and a 20.
21.
20.
That's 16 and it's too small.
Yeah, too small, dickhead.
Hey.
21.
Well, I've got 17, try that. Just
Oh, well done, kid. In the first time in forever.
That's just sad.
Oh, fucking sad. Fun. And you know what I am?
What?
You just call me a second.
Yeah, it's just like anyway.
Prick.
I know. Don't move the piece of that one.
I'm going to be on the board of directors.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm putting in a share. Into rust buckets 7176. And also, what size hoodie do you wear? We're getting team hoodies made up.
I'll find out.
Do you not fucking know? Might just give it option, medium, large. That's it.
Medium.
Medium.
Yeah, because if I have large, I'll...
How about oversized shit? Do you not wear oversized?
oversized.
Like this.
Medium's oversized.
Oh yeah, I forgot you were a skinny. You can't
Yeah.
move. Yeah.
If I had... Oh, damn. Yeah! Oh, great. I have to do this every day at home.
Yeah, babysit, kid. You're used to it.
You having a while?
It's on. Apparently.
I believe that hose went from there to there, didn't it? That was the in.
What, this one?
No, that.
That one.
That went from there to there, didn't it? That was the in.
Yeah. Haven't got any of...
Then that's... Was that water? Or was that the in?
No, I'm guessing.
Well, that's got... That goes into the water there.
Yeah.
That's got to be water.
Yeah.
Right.
Guess it goes in here like this.
Yeah, I reckon it did.
Like that. So where does it join?
Well, it had a hose in it that went from... Yeah, and that was held up on that clip there to there. Want it?
Yeah.
And then that you've been held in there, and then that goes to there.
Well, we haven't got that bit of...
Here we are. Simple. filters on.
Right.
We are just filling this half full of water before we actually put coolant in it. Because I don't want to fill it and then with the 10 litres of coolant in it all come out.
Yeah, and just goes. Oh.
So we'll fill it until the alarm goes off.
Yeah, and then we'll
Run it.
run it for a bit.
Yep. We do apologise, guys. We are trying to get decent footage of this. Right, so we now need to... I'll work out where that clamps on in a minute.
Right, we'll get.
Because I think it clamped onto the other pipe that went there.
Yeah. It's a bit.
Short.
It just slips in.
Must be a longer one then, mustn't it?
A thicker one.
Oh, where's that one you had a minute ago? Because you had a longer one.
In your hand. Just put on.
Going to be going in 30 minutes or something, unfortunately.
Ah.
Look to still.
No, I thought you had a longer one.
Oh dear.
You. Tit.
Right, there you go.
Dear Jordan, look at these. Look at this.
Yeah. Just one second.
Don't know if you have the hammer on for that, right?
Right?
The sound that drill, sound that you have the hammer on it.
The impact, that's why.
Right, connecting this bastard up now.
I presume that's the water for that, innit? Yeah, we're gonna need an elbow on that, aren't we?
All I've been doing really
You're not gonna get that on there.
but all I've been doing here is messing about mainly.
It's not been used in a couple of years.
And also,
As bad as me.
thinking why have you
I
got
find it to the
a,
fit when last time we used
got
that.
a reflector?
15 years ago.
Why is there a reflector on 7176's indicator?
Because it's a legal requirement.
I thought it would be I thought it were a bit of a conflict.
Should we go
It's
have a look and-
obstructing It's obstructing the indicator.
1 minute, it's got to go over the compressor, you muppet.
I'm assuming the coolant, I haven't really touched in any sort of mechanics to be honest. Do they just use water like a...
No, use antifreeze.
Ah yes, water and antifreeze.
Yeah, and this runs rich. Why does nothing fit? Right, if I had to screw this in here...
Yeah.
Oh, this hose is in the way. It will make it work. We'll make it work. I don't quite need that for the attachment though. It's a bit overkill, isn't it?
Just another bit of curiosity. So currently on 7176's tested.
Yeah.
Just trying to think now. I've lost my. Yeah. What destinations has it currently got on it?
All of the ones it had when it was in Dundee.
Yeah, so it got all Dundee. You know today, right? Someone popped in a USB.
Yeah.
It loaded another set of desks.
Yeah. Right. It got there's a that and that went.
Yeah. Now thinking on the thing of
that way, I
safety.
think.
You know, if you were to use your foot brake too much and just actually make the vehicle run out of air while you were driving
It can't run out of air.
because I've heard about runaways or something.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and I've